asking for help with a sold-out item.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I am looking for tomato soup.
Do you mean the canned tomato soup?
Yes, the one in the red can.
Let me check that shelf.
Thank you, I cannot find it.
I see the place. It is empty here.
Oh, that is disappointing.
Let me look in the back.
Thank you, I need 2 cans.
Please wait a moment.
I will wait here.
I will be quick.
I want it for dinner tonight.
Did you want any other brand?
I only like the red can.
I checked and there are none left.
Are you sure there are no more?
Yes, we are sold out.
Oh no, it is all gone.
I am sorry. We get more tomorrow.
Tomorrow is good. I can come again.
I will hold 2 cans for you.
Thank you so much.
It is my pleasure.
Have a nice afternoon.
You too. See you tomorrow.
Received a neighbor's mail by mistake.
Hi, Mark. Are you busy right now?
Hello, Julia. No, I am not busy.
Did you get any strange mail today?
I am not sure. I saw some letters.
I found this envelope in my box.
Is it addressed to you?
No, it is for Emily. She lives upstairs.
Oh, I see. That is strange.
Did you get any mail by mistake last week?
I do not think so. My letters looked normal.
Emily has a red mailbox. It is easy to miss.
Yes, I sometimes mix them up too.
Should I take the letter to her now?
That is very kind. She is usually home now.
Do you know her apartment number?
Yes, she lives in 4B.
Thank you. I will go upstairs.
You are welcome. She will be happy.
Has this happened to you before?
Yes, once a package came for my neighbor.
I guess the postman gets confused sometimes.
Yes, there are many names here.
Oh, wait! There is another letter for Emily in my box.
Really? That is strange.
I will give both letters to her at once.
That is a good idea. She will be thankful.
Thanks for your help, Mark.
No problem, Julia. Have a nice afternoon.
Cannot find parking at event.
I really cannot find a spot.
How long have you looked?
About 15 minutes now.
It looks packed tonight.
I drove around the lot twice.
Did you check the street side?
Yes, every spot is taken.
Maybe try near the store?
That area is full too.
I know a small lot behind.
Is it close to here?
Just 1 block down the side street.
I never noticed that lot before.
Not many people use it.
Do you think there is a space now?
I think you have a chance.
What if it is full too?
Maybe try the big grocery lot next.
That is 2 blocks from here.
I can wait for you near the door.
Are you sure you do not mind?
No problem. I have time.
I see a space now behind the cafe.
That is great. Take it.
I am parking now. Thanks.
You are welcome. See you inside.
Taking the wrong bus together.
Excuse me, is this the 42 bus?
I think so. Are you going downtown?
Yes, I want the city center. You too?
Yes, I need Oak Street.
I do not see Oak Street here.
The sign says Park Avenue next.
That is not on my route.
Did the bus turn right?
Yes, it did. That is strange.
Maybe we took the wrong bus.
Do you know the next stop?
It may be North Road. Is that far?
I do not know this area well.
Should we ask the driver?
Good idea, I agree.
Let us go together.
Excuse me, driver, is this the 42?
We need downtown.
Oh, this is the 24, not the 42?
We are on the wrong bus.
I cannot believe that.
It is my first time here.
Do you want to get off now?
Yes, then we can find the 42.
Let us help each other.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Good luck to us.
Changing the time to meet a friend.
Hi, Mark. You are early today.
Hi, Emma. Yes, I wanted a coffee.
How was your day so far?
It was good, just a bit busy.
Busy? With work?
Yes, some meetings took longer.
I see. Are you free later, too?
Actually, I wanted to ask you,
Ask me what, Mark?
can we change our next meeting time?
Change the time? Why?
I just remembered I have a dentist appointment.
Is it at the same time as our meeting?
Yes, it is right at 3.
That is when we meet for coffee.
I am really sorry about this.
It is all right. What time can you meet?
Could we meet at 5 instead?
5 works for me, but just for 1 hour.
That is perfect for me too.
Great. 5 it is then.
Thank you for understanding.
No problem, Mark.
I will send a message later.
Good idea. See you soon.
Helping a colleague with a presentation.
Hi, Michael. Do you have a minute?
Yes, of course. What is up?
I need some help with my presentation.
What do you need help with?
I am not sure about my slides.
Can I see your slides now?
Yes, they are on my laptop.
Let us look together.
This is my first slide.
The title looks good.
Do you think it is too simple?
Sometimes simple is better.
The next slide has a chart.
I like the colors you used.
I worry it is hard to read.
Maybe use bigger text?
Should I change all the text size?
Change only the numbers.
I will try that now.
Do you feel better now?
A little, but I am still unsure.
Your ideas are good. You are ready.
Thank you. That means a lot.
You will do great, Jenna.
Thanks for your help, Michael.
You are welcome. Good luck.
Changing a dress size in a shop.
Hello, can you help me, please?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
I want to buy this dress.
That is a nice choice.
Thank you. I am not sure about the size.
What size do you have there?
I took a medium.
Did you try it on?
Yes, but it feels a bit tight.
Would you like a larger size then?
Maybe. Do you have a large?
Yes, I will check for you.
A large is here, the same color.
Thank you. Can I try it?
Of course. The fitting room is there. Thank you. I will be quick.
Take your time. No rush.
Okay, I am ready now.
How does the large feel?
This size is much better.
I am glad to hear that.
Yes, I will take the large.
Perfect. I will put it at the counter.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
A child spills a drink in the park.
Oh no, the juice is on the ground.
Did you see what happened?
She dropped her cup, I think.
She looks sad now.
Should we help her?
Yes, I have some napkins.
That is good. I will talk to her.
Can I help carry things?
Yes, please, bring the napkins.
I have them right here.
Hello. Are you all right?
Here, we can clean this up.
Do not worry. It is just juice.
It happens sometimes.
Would you like more to drink?
Do we have extra juice?
I have water in my bag.
Water is good.
Here you go. You can have this.
Drink slowly. It is still cold.
See, nothing is ruined.
She is smiling now.
That is nice to see.
You are always good with children.
Thank you, Michael.
The park is better with you here.
Talking about the weekend at lunch.
Lunch looks good today.
Yes, I was very hungry.
Do you have plans this weekend?
Not much, just rest at home.
No special activity? Nothing fun?
Maybe I will see a movie.
That sounds nice. Alone?
I think so. My friends are busy.
Did you want to see something new?
Yes, there is a new comedy.
I like comedies. I need some laughs.
What are your plans, Elena?
I want to visit my sister. She lives outside the city.
That is good. Will you stay long?
Just one night. I will come back Sunday.
Do you travel by train?
Yes, it is faster than the bus.
What do you do with your sister?
We walk a lot. We cook dinner.
Sounds relaxing. I wish I had plans.
You can join us if you want.
Really? You mean it?
Yes, my sister is friendly.
That would be great. Thank you.
We will have fun together.
This weekend looks much better now.
I am glad you feel that way.
Thank you, Elena. Have a good afternoon.
You too, Marcus. See you later.
Helping with homework questions.
Tom, can you help me with this question?
Of course, Lisa. Which one?
It is number 5. I do not get it.
Let me see. Can you read it?
It says, add 14 and 7.
All right. What is 14 plus 7?
I think it is 20.
Are you sure? Try again carefully.
14, 15, 16, 21?
Yes, that is correct.
Oh, good. Thank you, Tom.
No problem. Is there another question?
Yes, this word problem. It is hard.
Can you read it out loud?
Maria has 5 apples. She gets 3 more. How many?
What do you think the answer is?
8 apples.
That is right. You see, you are good at this.
Only with your help.
I like helping you.
Do you want to do the last one together?
Yes, let us finish it together.
Thank you so much, Tom.
You are welcome, Lisa. Well done.